So today we're going to talk about how to implement DS games on an Arch Linux installation. We're going to use the application DS-me. So you can see I already installed Pokemon, the Black Edition from Nintendo. You can run it at full screen as well, but I prefer it in a smaller view. So that's the game, you can pause it, etc. So the installation has two parts. We're going to use Yay as the installer. And as you can see, I used the first one, DS-me. I'm not gonna install that one because I already installed it, so I'm gonna press enter. After you installed that one, you're going to go to the website. The link is in the description. On emulatorgames.net, there you can see a bunch of IOMs like Pokemon, Ben, Call of Duty, whatever you prefer, and the Pokemon Black Edition, and just save the game and download it. If the download is currently running, you can just pause the video for the duration. So after that, you're gonna go to your downloads. As you can see, that would be my download, and you use unzip with the name. I already did that, so I can still do it, but replace, yeah, it's gonna replace my folder. After that, you can start the application. Go to File, Open, and to your Downloads folder. There you'll see your installations, like I installed some games. You just select the one you'd like, and it starts. If you prefer full screen, you can do scale to window, and then full screen. Nintendo was 2 screens, so at the intro there's only the screen below. That was it. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and etc. And I see you next time.